As more testing becomes available, the city is focusing on some of its more vulnerable residents, in particular, people living in public housing. CBS 2's Aundrea Cline-Thomas on the plan to help the people.
Julie Vidal is a trained EMT, suited up to provide COVID-19 tests to those showing symptoms at the George Washington houses in East Harlem.
I assess the patient, take the vitals, get their history, get the demographics.
Vidal is part of Ready Responders, a 3-year-old healthcare company the state partnered with to provide testing in 8 NYCHA complexes starting this week. Justin Dangle is the CEO.
There's no cost to the city, no cost to the state, no cost to NYCHA, and each of the residents is covered with no cost to them.
Here's video of some of their work in New Orleans. In New York City, residents will receive flyers and a knock at their door from a nurse or EMT. If they have coronavirus symptoms, they can get a test on the spot or make an appointment for someone to return. Residents can also use a tablet to talk to a doctor to get what's equivalent to urgent care services right at their door for free.
We're finally getting what we do deserve and need. We need the testing. We need to make sure that we're able to secure ourselves. We need to be safe.
Today, Mayor de Blasio outlined a separate initiative that will add 6 more testing sites near NYCHA developments where residents will be prioritized. The Cumberland Health Center in Brooklyn, Belvis Health Center in the Bronx, and Gouverneur Health Center in Manhattan will provide testing starting this Friday. Those who test positive and can't socially distance at home can get a free hotel room. Starting next week, all NYCHA residents will receive face coverings and gloves. Seniors will receive hand sanitizer and phone calls to check on their health.
What would you say to NYCHA residents whose vulnerabilities were well known prior to the pandemic about why they were not prioritized much earlier?
We just didn't have the amount of testing and the personnel and the PPEs to do testing on the community level the way we needed.
According to the Housing Authority, more than 250 employees have gotten sick. 6 have died. It's unclear how many residents have already been impacted, and the threat is far from over. Aundrea Cline-Thomas, CBS 2 News.